Hello student, now we are going to study about geography paper second, that is GG 202 physical geography paper second, hydrosphere. Movement of ocean water. Now we have to study about ocean currents. Definition and types of ocean currents. A movement of the surface water of the ocean is known as current. Ocean current is the horizontal movement of water. The general movement of a mass of oceanic water in a definite direction is called ocean current. Ocean currents are masses of ocean water that flow from one place to another. Types of ocean currents. On the basis of temperature of ocean water, the ocean currents are divided into two types. These are warm ocean currents and cool ocean currents. The warm ocean currents are those which flow from the low latitudes towards the high latitudes in the temperate and subpolar zones. Similarly, currents flow from high latitudes to low ones are called cool ocean currents. Gulf Stream and Kuroshio are the examples of warm ocean currents. Labrador and Benguela are the examples of cold ocean currents. On the basis of velocity, the ocean currents also divided into stream and drifts. The ocean water current, which flows with a greater velocity, is called stream, whereas the forward movement of surface water of the oceans under the influence of prevailing winds is called drift. Then, characteristics of ocean currents. On the basis of temperature, ocean currents are divided into warm currents and cool currents. Then, warm currents flow from the low latitudes toward the high latitudes. Similarly, cool currents are those which flow from high latitudes to low latitudes. It means cool currents flow from polar region to tropical region. The general movement of ocean current in the northern hemisphere is clockwise, and in the southern hemisphere it is anti-clockwise. Then warm currents move towards the cold sea and cold currents move towards the warm seas. In the low latitudes, the warm currents flow on the eastern shores and cold on the western shores. There is a convergence along which the warm and cold currents meet, and a divergence from which they move out in different directions. The shape of the coast plays an important role to determine the direction of ocean currents. The ocean currents flow at the surface of the sea as well as below the sea surface. Then the causes of origin of ocean currents. The currents in the oceans are originated due to combined effects of several factors. Seawater cannot remain stationary because of the differences in its density due to variations in temperature and density. सागर जलाचे तापमान, दाब व क्षारता यांचा संयुक्तिक परिणाम म्हणजे सागर जलाची घनता होय. घनतेचे समुद्र प्रवाहावर प्रत्यक्षपणे नियंत्रण असते, परंतु घनता काही घटकांवर अवलंबून असल्याने महासागरात विविध घनतेचे प्रवाह निर्माण होतात. महासागराचे तापमान. सर्वसाधारणपणे तापमान वाढल्यास पाणी प्रसरण पावते व त्याची घनता कमी होते. म्हणूनच ध्रुवापासून विषुववृत्ताकडे पाण्याची घनता कमी होत जाते. विषुववृत्तीय कमी घनतेच्या सागरपृष्ठावरील प्रवाह कमी तापमानाच्या जास्त घनतेच्या प्रदेशाकडे वाहू लागतात, तर जास्त घनतेचा सागर खोलीवर प्रवाह थंड प्रदेशाकडून कमी घनतेच्या उष्ण प्रदेशांकडे वाहत जातो. The major elements that cause circulation of ocean water are temperature differences, rotation of the earth, the prevailing winds, atmospheric pressure, evaporation and rain, shape of the coast, melting of ice, etc. Here we have discussed that seawater cannot remain stationary because of the differences in its density due to variations in temperature and salinity. And also these factors influence the circulation of ocean currents. Temperature differences. Currents caused by the differences of temperatures are known as convection currents. The warm tropical water is lighter and occupies the surface level of ocean, while the cold polar water is heavy and sinks beneath the surface. Thus, the warm and equatorial water flows towards the polar region, while the cool water of polar region flows along at a certain depth towards the equatorial ocean. In this way, there is a circulation of ocean currents. Thus, the poleward surface currents and equatorward surface currents form a complete circulatory system of ocean water. Similarly, salinity differences of ocean water also cause ocean currents. The polar water, thus the warm and equatorial water flows towards the polar region, while the cool water of polar region flows along at a certain depth. So there is a movement of ocean water below the water surface in the form of subsurface current from colder polar areas to warmer equatorial areas in order to balance the loss of water in the equatorial areas. The density variations in ocean water causes ocean currents. That is, the denser water sinks and moves as a subsurface current, whereas less saline water moves towards greater saline water as surface current. Then the another element which causes the origin of ocean current is the rotation of the earth. Due to the rotation of the earth, the ocean currents are deflected to their right in the northern hemisphere and to their left in the southern hemisphere. पृथ्वीचे स्वांग परिभ्रमण. पृथ्वी स्वतःभोवती स्वांग परिभ्रमण गतीमुळे पश्चिमेकडून पूर्वेकडे फिरत असते. यामुळे महासागरातील पाणी उलट दिशेने म्हणजेच पूर्वेकडून पश्चिमेकडे विषुववृत्ताजवळून वाहू लागते. विषुववृत्ताजवळील पाणी ध्रुवीय प्रदेशाकडे जाण्याची प्रवृत्ती असते, परंतु फेरेलच्या नियमानुसार प्रवाहाच्या दिशेवर परिणाम होतो. उत्तर गोलार्धात समुद्र प्रवाह आपल्या उजवीकडे तर दक्षिण गोलार्धात आपल्या डावीकडे वळतात. म्हणजेच प्रवाहांची दिशा उत्तर दक्षिण किंवा दक्षिण उत्तर अशी असत नाही. The prevailing winds. The trade winds constantly flow nearly from east to west in the tropical areas and drag the surface ocean water with them. Thus, currents develop eastern part of the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Indian Ocean to the north and south of the equator. Then the another element is atmospheric pressure. Ocean currents are generally influenced and controlled by atmospheric conditions like atmospheric pressure and its variation, wind direction, rainfall, and evaporation. When the atmospheric pressure is high, the water in that region is pressed down while it rises up when atmospheric pressure is low. Due to the difference in the atmospheric pressure, the water from higher levels flows towards that of the lower levels. This originates ocean currents. Then another element is evaporation and rain. The sea water level becomes relatively higher in the areas of a low evaporation and a higher rainfall. Evaporation and rainfall also related to oceanic salinity and density. Low evaporation and a high rainfall lowers the amount of salinity and thus reduces the water density. This results rise in sea level. On the other hand, high evaporation and low rainfall increases salinity of ocean water and density, and thus lowers the sea level. Thus, ocean currents flow from higher level to lower level of sea water. Then another element is the shape of the coast. The shape of the coast creates ocean currents. The shape and configuration of coastline also have a close influence on the direction and movement of the ocean currents. For the example, South Equatorial Current strikes at Cape San Roque and is divided into two branches, that is the North Brazilian coast. One branch flows along the North uh, Brasilia coast and south along Brazil coast. Then the melting of ice. The melting of ice rises the sea level and causes flow of polar currents. Thus, the ocean currents are originated due to these elements. Next part will be continued during the next period. Thank you.